everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku. A tectonic one, yes, with 4 stars in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday, December the 18th, 2020, almost weekend. But first we will solve this baby. Yes, alright. And this will be a number 2035. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question, can we see here a single box? I see here a single box. The single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Do we have dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Dual box, the 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. I see here also a dual box, 1 and a 2. Let me mark those for you. Here also a dual box, the 1 and the 2. Triple box. Do we have a triple box here? No. Alright. So let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. If I place a 2 here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this dual box. So this can be a 2, this should be a 2. And then those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And then these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And then do 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 should be here. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes if I place a 1 here. So this should be a 2 and this should be a 1. Alright, that means we have a 1 here. Those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 here, that means those 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair here. These 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, let me mark those 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, that means those 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 5. Alright, alright, alright. 1 and 3. Wow, 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 wow. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair here. 2 and a 4, so the other pair should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. That means that this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so this should be a 3. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, 1, 2, the 3, and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So this box cannot be a 2 or 4, because I need a 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. And it cannot be a 3, so in this quarter box 2, 4 and 3 cannot be, so 1 digit left should be a 1. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those as a pair. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 4, but also that box cannot be a 4, because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means that those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And how about the 2? Yes. This box cannot be a 2, because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes in this box. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes in this box. So 1 box left should be the 3. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 3, But also this box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be here. And this box cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. But also those two boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here, so one box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. Two boxes left, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those numbers, 4 and 5. These two boxes, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those numbers. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 5. This should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 3. We have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. Two boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So these two boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. And this should be a 4. Two boxes left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. I like this one. I like this 4 stars Tectonic. But is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. I do not know. Anyway, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Saturday. Bye bye for now. Have a great day.